for Central Avenue here in town. I would like to speak and address a Superior Court decision that was handed down yesterday afternoon in regard to Chief Guida. And the judge allowed Chief Guida to get away with his actions with no ramifications to him due to Mayor Fox, the acting business administrator DeMarco, and labor attorney Bernstein, all who criminally conspired to hide the report from the council. The court system and the Monmouth County Prosecutor's Office have both failed we the people in this process. First, the prosecutor's office decided not to press criminal charges against Chief Guida, which they had the authority and the discretion to do. And then the judge, who failed to protect the interests of the residents of the borough yesterday, decided to protect the rights and the interests of Chief Guida. The council should urgently provide yesterday's decision to the Attorney General as further proof supporting the need for immediate and impaneling of a grand jury seeking criminal indictments for collusion against the aforementioned individuals who conspired to protect Chief Guida from appropriate disciplinary action. The residents and the borough of Bradley Beach have been damaged by these individuals' actions, Fox, DeMarco, and Bernstein, and that in this matter specifically and other additional situations, collectively and severally, and each of these individuals should be held accountable by way of some kind of a lawsuit or indictment, and consideration by the borough to sue these individuals personally, being that I did receive, thank you for your response to my Oprah request in regard to, I asked for a copy of the individual fidelity performance and surety bond, a liability policy held personally by Mayor Larry Fox since January 5th of 2021, as is required. And I was informed that there are no responsive records for this part of my request. And I did receive your oath of office. So therefore, that means that you are personally liable for damages. Now, because of the fact that the council is not able to take appropriate disciplinary action due to the withholding and the hiding of the report, because, you know, Mayor Fox is saying that the council, which we have an ordinance, and usually ordinances, when they're broken, which are considered laws, people are arrested. I'm not sure why our police are not acting on, I mean, if I were to break an ordinance, I'd be arrested. So Mayor Fox subverted our ordinance, and he did not provide the report to the council, which we have an ordinance that says he was supposed to. However, he was trying to justify that he didn't provide it to you because he was still working with the prosecutor's office. But somehow acting borough administrator DeMarco and labor attorney Bernstein, they somehow were special and they were able to have access to that information. And as a result of the fact that the council was not able to act as would have been their right to take disciplinary action, such as demoting, there would have been, now there will not be, a public municipal trial for the actions of Chief Guida, and disciplinary action, which could have included demotion or some kind of financial remuneration for his actions, will not be allowed to take place now, which is considered damages against us, we the people, because now he will be able to move forward with his retirement and going before the pension board without any kind of penalty or demotion. Like he would not, now he'll be retiring as a chief, as opposed to maybe he could have been demoted down to patrolman and retired at a patrolman salary. So there is a financial, not just a moral and ethical issue in hand here. And that the mayor would hide that and then misrepresent circumstances under which, and the timing and how he received the report and the actions that he took to keep it from the council, which is there's an existing ordinance